in today's episode of Idiots in Cars. What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video, hope you're doing great, and today we have the privilege of watching this amazing display of pure driving skill in action, and also thank you so much for your endless support, it really means a lot. So now, with that being said, let's just dive into this, shall we? Oh, I like it when we start a video with a speed and power. And you know what is better than speed and power? Quadruple speed and power. Oh, excuse me, coming through. I don't know why are you all just waiting there, but there's plenty of space over here. It's a free real estate. Whoa, jump, 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 jump. You know that song, guys. And I didn't even know the trailer can do that. But apparently it can, especially the U-Haul ones, they're possessed. Whack! When it's 2 AM and your parents told you to be home at 11 PM. And you're trying to be quiet! Dearie me. That charger was flying. That was crazy. I mean, both of them were at fault, but I think the charger is a little bit more responsible for it, you know. But anyways, let's see here. Oh, close encounter with a BMW is always dangerous. And a wild Prius attacks. The dashcam guy didn't know that a wild Prius ain't stopping for nothing. That's how Prius is establishing dominance. Whoa, careful. Come on, man. Maybe I'm wrong, but I think the dashcam guy could have been more patient and waited a little bit longer because that guy is in a truck. He had nowhere to go. He had one-to-one appointment with the wall. And what is this goofy car? Power, but in lowercase. Whoop, let him cook. Let him cook. Whoa. But he did not crash, so it's a win. Hide dobre. Welcome to Serbia, everybody. The boys are here and they mean business. Because if you need more grip and you don't want to buy winter tires, here's your solution. Just give them a call and they'll get the job done. And can we just take a moment to appreciate this genius in action? What is going on here? Oh no. Oh, that was a biggie. Sometimes people are just like NPCs. And here we have a power in reverse. And I don't know what Audi wanted to prove, but he proved it. And now it's a good thing that we are in a right type of vehicle for the conditions, and a SpongeBob does a flyby. It looks like our boy's taking the driving test once again. And would you look at his beautiful machine? Choo choo, mother. It goes from 0 to power in 2.5 seconds. And I think it's beautiful. On to the next one. What is going on here? The biggest problem for these guys is not the fire, actually. It's dingleberries on the road. No. Oof. That was a love tap. And now the firefighters are like, we can extinguish a lot of things, but stupidity is not one of them. Oh, I wonder if you know how they live in Tokyo. Hold it, and that was almost epic, but anyways, whoa, he's taking a little detour. Hold it, no. Ooh, that hurts, and it probably won't buff off that easily. Stay there, no. Oh, that was close, and it was a BMW, of course. Who would have thought? What is this? This man needs a raise, like right now, because new Drift King is in town. Look at him go. Very nice. No, stay where you are. Don't pull out. Oh, you play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. What a dingleberry, he didn't even look. Hey, yo. What was that all about, Charger? Oh, again, really? By the looks of it, it's definitely not his first crash today, nor the second. It's more like fifth. But anyways, let's see here. That is a little bit too fast for the conditions, and we have assigned position. And on the bright side, the parking is now allowed there. And here's the proof once again that everything is a drift machine if you're brave enough. So far so good. Ooh, that was close. He's now flexing. That's it, because he can, you know. Let's see here. Whoa, what the hell was that all about? It definitely looked like it was on purpose, but who knows. And another dingleberry strikes. That was a genius move. 900 IQ play right there. And I don't know why some people get sudden burst of intelligence and do stupid stuff like that. No, hold it, bro, hold it. No. Ah. Well, that actually went much better than I initially thought. But anyways, on to the next one. Whoa, range. This is a one-way street. And I like how our dashcam guy here is on the case. He jumped right into action, which is a good thing, of course. Because who knows what would have happened if he wasn't there. Let's see what is going on here. Whoa! That was 2 drops of pee came out moment right there. But no fear, the Mustang is here. He's gonna brighten our day for sure. Left, 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 left. I like that indicator. Left, Mustang. That's not left. The other left. Right doesn't work, I guess. Oof. Bro doesn't like boats. And his name is John Cena. Once again, you play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. No! Oh! And he got a pole position against his will, but a pole position nonetheless. Whoa, bro, be careful. This is not a GTA server, but it certainly looks like one. That guy in the truck is like, I'm speed, baby, out of my way, peasants. Oh, there's an empty lane, just for me, nice. That guy is really in a hurry. Moving on to the next one. Oh, it's a Nissan Altima, which explains a lot. The arch enemy of the Prius. Hey, yo. Keep it on the road, bro. Let me know in the comments, guys, which is worse, the Ultima drivers or the Prius drivers. Or this guy here. That was a stupid stunt for sure. Uh-oh, here's another Mustang. That is a good sign. Oh, he's gone. Whew, we are good. Whoa.
I'm sorry.
For a minute I thought that was a fire alarm. And then I remembered, why would there be a fire alarm? Leroy Jenkins. Ooh, he almost got a pole position. That was so close. Alright, let's see here. And booyah! That's a Ford Focus. More like Ford not focused. Anyways, forget about that. Everybody today is really struggling with turning left for some reason. They see me roll and they hate and... Who said you need all of the 4 wheels to drive a car? Actually, that pickup is smoking more than a car without 2 wheels. Which is amazing, of course. And now whatever is left there is falling out as well. I'm pretty sure there's one very interesting story behind this. And I would like to know how this happened. How it came to this moment. That's what I'm interested in. Oh boy, here we go again. What was that, bro? What the hell was that? The stupidity was strong in that one. Whoa, brake! Whew. That was close. That was really close. I don't think you should stop in the middle of the road like that, but I guess they disagree with me. Whoa! Well, this is understandable. It's very hard to see a car in front of you with lights on. It's very hard. And what are those 2 dingleberries doing? Ooh, that V8 motor sounds amazing. It sounds so good I forgot about those 2. Uh-oh, no. Ooh, that was a calculated risk. But damn, he's bad at maths. And also he started a vehicle flipping business. This is the first one.
The latest announcement
on to the next one.
Maintains the status quo through March. So far, that
no school bus, no. Why would you do that? He didn't even indicate. That is ridiculous. Whoa. Bro slipped on banana peel. Someone got carried away with playing Mario Kart. Whoop, here goes another one. Banana peels are everywhere. Be careful. Whoa. Chill, bro. If you're gonna do something like that, at least check if it's safe to do so. I mean, it's not that hard. Trust me. And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and also I decided to change the intro a little bit, so let me know what you think about that. And also, if you want to see more of these, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, of course. So yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to power every day. I love you all, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao, ciao.